Hey, how's it going, guys? You know what it is. It's Friday. It's time for Find Us Friday. Another episode, man, where I'm going to list 10 black, this time I'm doing females that are missing. Man, we got to find these kids, man. The more I do this, the more I realize that there are a lot of kids missing. Some of them have been missing a long time. Some of them have been missing recently, but man, we got to do our due diligence and find these kids. All right. So I'm gonna get right into it here. Let's see, and I'm reading these off my phone, so y'all gotta bear with me because my eyes ain't what they used to be. All right. Um, the first one is Aliyah Bell. Son of a Aliyah Bell, missing since November 25th, 2014, from Rock Hill, South Carolina. She's now 23. They got the picture of her age progressed. It says that she is believed to be in the Atlanta, Georgia, or Charlotte, or Fayetteville, North Carolina. It says Elia's lip is pierced. She has stars tattooed on the left side of her abdomen. All right, next is Amanda Belton. She's been missing since June 27th, 2019, from Staten Island, New York. Next is Angela Bernadotte. Listen, man, y'all know how I mess up these names, okay? She's been missing since July 9th, 2015, from Pleasantville, New York. She would be 20. She would be 21 now. The photo shows her age progressed to 20. Says she may travel to New Rochelle, New York, and she may wear a wig or may have her hair in a weave. That kind of description makes me think that maybe she's a runaway. Maybe, but it doesn't matter. You know how we do here. Whether they ran away, they kidnapped, or whatever, we're going to show the same due diligence and try to find them, all right? All right, the next one is, oh boy, Bethlehem Beeley. Wow. Missing since December 15th, 2019, from Alexandria, Virginia. Says she's 15. Next is Jakaria Bell. Missing since February 6th, 2019, from Kalamazoo, Michigan. Man, it's right around the corner from my hometown. Um, y'all forgive that ding. Let me silence my phone. But yeah, it's right around the corner from my hometown in Lansing. So if any of my peeps, man, y'all watching this, make sure y'all be looking out. It says she still may be in the local area, and she has a tattoo on her forearm. So y'all be looking out for that. Next is Kennedy Bennett. Missing since September 29th, 2002, from Conway, South Carolina. She would be 21 now. It says that she was last seen on September 29th. She has pierced ears and a birthmark on her right arm. When Kennedy was last seen, she had braids in her hair and was wearing a gray FUBU shirt and blue jeans. Foul play suspected. So, we've talked about it, what the foul play means. They probably suspect she may be deceased or something like that. But like I say, man, you never know. So we got to keep our eyes open regardless. All right. All right. Next is Monica Bennett, missing since June 22nd, 1989. Her age now would be 46. Um, looks like she was with a Michael Bennett also. So again, with these type of missing persons that's been missing a long time, I don't want you guys to think, man, that something could have happened. Like I say, there's plenty of stories out about kids being kidnapped when they were young, and then growing up with their kidnappers, and then not even remembering that they were kidnapped in the first place. So we got to make sure we keep our eyes out, even when it's something like this. All right. Next is Nakia Bell, missing since February 17th, 2018, from Stone Mountain, Georgia. Next is Rochelle Battle, missing since March 6, 2009, from Baltimore, Maryland. She would be 27 now. And the next one is Tarisha Benjamin, missing since June 26, 2010, from Selma, Alabama. And let's see, she would be 27 now. So there you have it, guys. It's another one. Um, I hope you guys really are looking at these and paying attention, man. It doesn't take anything but a share. Just share the video out. Um, if you know people that live in some of these areas, make sure that they see the videos. We have a big problem in this country with missing children. And we have got to do our part to at least try to find them. Stuff that doesn't cost us anything but a little time, to hit a share button, um, to spend, 10, 15 minutes watching a video just to get an idea of what's going on. At the end of the video, I always put where I find these at. You guys can go to that website and look. We've got to start doing our part. We got to make sure that we're looking out. We got to make sure that we are keeping our own children safe, and we are teaching our kids how to handle themselves in these certain situations, because it's 2020. These days, these times, our kids have to know what to do if somebody ever approaches them. They need to know what to do if somebody ever tries to abduct them, and they need to know what to do if they are abducted. Okay, um, my youngest son is 11. I've gone over this with him several times, and I'll continue to go over with it because it's just the day and age we live in. All right. So listen, man. You guys make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I upload these videos. I do this every Friday. Find us Friday. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you guys share the video out. Okay. Share it to certain groups. Share it to your Facebook pages. Make sure people see this. Like I said, if you know people in these areas, make sure that they see the video. All right. So I'll catch you guys on the next one, and you have a wonderful day.